Hello everyone. I have a collection of some common items that you might be leaving at home. The stars of today's project are the spark plugs. I'm going to transform ordinary spark plugs into something truly amazing, a versatile power source. My first step is to modify the tips of these spark plugs. I'm using an angle grinder to carefully grind down the central electrode. Now that the tips are prepped, I'm taking a length of thin, insulated wire and meticulously wrapping it around the ceramic insulator of each spark plug. I'm wrapping it tightly and evenly, creating a coil. This coil will serve as a resistive element, allowing us to generate heat and create an electrical connection along the ceramic body. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Next, I'm taking a small wooden block, which will form the base of our device. I'm marking 2 spots and then using a step drill bit to create perfect size holes. I'm making sure these holes are deep enough to securely hold the spark plugs, providing stability and support for the entire assembly. With the holes drilled, I'm using a utility knife to carefully trim and smooth the edges. This ensures a snug fit for the spark plugs and prevents any snags or damage when I insert them. I'm inserting the prepared spark plugs into the wooden base. To ensure they are firmly in place and won't budge during use, I'm applying a strong super glue around their bases. This will provide a durable and reliable hold. Now it's time for the wiring. I'm starting with a red electrical wire, stripping a portion of its insulation to expose the copper strands. I'll twist these strands together to make a clean, solid contact point. This careful preparation is key for efficient electrical flow. I'm connecting this exposed red wire to the metallic body of the spark plugs. I'll wrap it around securely and then crimp it with pliers to ensure a tight, low-resistance electrical connection. This forms one side of our circuit. Similarly, I'm preparing a white electrical wire, stripping the insulation, twisting the copper strands, just like I did with a red wire. Consistency in these steps ensures a balanced and effective circuit. This white wire is then connected to the metallic body of the second spark plug, again wrapped and secured tightly with pliers. This completes the primary connections to our spark plug terminals. Next, I'm taking a standard electrical outlet and carefully disassembling it to expose the internal connections. I'm securing these connections with screws, ensuring they are firm and reliable for safety and performance. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm attaching the red and white wires from our spark plugs to specific terminals inside the outlet. This is where we'll tap into the power generated by our spark plug setup. With all the internal wiring complete, I'm carefully reassembling the electrical outlet, screwing the cover back on. This protects the internal components and makes the device safe to handle. Our homemade power station is almost ready. Now for the moment of truth. I'm connecting our homemade device to a 12-volt battery using jumper cables. I attach one clamp to the spark plug connected to the red wire and the other to the spark plug connected to the white wire. This provides initial power to energize our modified spark plugs. I'm plugging in a powerful LED light bulb into our repurposed electrical outlet. And just like that, the bulb illuminates brightly. We've successfully transformed ordinary spark plugs into a functional power source, capable of lighting up your space with a simple battery connection. This DIY project truly shows that with a little ingenuity, you can create amazing things from unexpected components. If you found this project fascinating and inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other surprising creations you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.